Hey guys, this is Jerk and welcome back to my channel. And today's episode, guys, is I'm going to share you my experience in my first vaccination for COVID-19 vaccine with AstraZeneca. It happens last week pa, so hindi ako nakapag-shoot agad kasi chinek ko muna talaga kung anong mangyayari sa akin after the vaccination. But before we're going to start, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button, drop some comments for feedback and suggestion, share this video, and subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated in our future adventure. So let's go and have an intro first. Last week nga is nagpa-vaccine ako sa first vaccination ko for COVID-19 and yung ginamit nila na vaccine is AstraZeneca. So yung vaccination pala, guys, is made possible by our company, Awesome OS, and nangyari siya sa Philcris Centrale with the other call center companies. So parang inisa nila para hindi na ma-hassle yung mga other agents from other different companies na kung saan-saan pa sila pumupunta, para maisa na lang kasi normally naman talaga yung mga call center agents is graveyard yung trabaho. So yun nga yung mga nangyari. And with that, I'm going to share you some clips what happened with during the vaccination day. So let's go and watch this.
Normal lang na siya, buhaton lang ito. Inom lang ng paracetamol na before hours. And then kung wala na ang fever, pwede na ito mag-stop sa paracetamol. And then continue lang natin sa inyong uwat. And then next is, ang atong vaccine na tuloy pag-ihatag natin sa
Okay, so yeah. So after a day, no, not a day. Nung kinagabihan after ng vaccination, pag-uwi ko pala, hindi ko pala siya naramdaman. Wala pa akong nararamdaman na sakit or whatsoever. Yung injection niya hindi rin masakit, as na ini-expect ko na may mabigat or makirot or something. Wala talaga. Swabe yung vaccination process, yung pakiramdam ko during that vaccination. Yung umuwi ako dito, still fine. Everything is fine, everything is normal. Wala pa rin akong ibang something na nararamdaman. But after that night, guys, nung nagising ako, tulog ako, pagkagising ko, grabe. During that night pala, may nangyari pa. During that night of vaccination is grabe. Nagkalagnat ako. Pero yung kapatid ko naman, nagpa-vaccine na siya ahead sa akin. And yun nga, sabi niya, at nakita ko naman na nilagnat talaga siya that night. And then para daw mabigat yung katawan, parang binugbog or parang muscle pain sa loob, yung sa buong katawan mo, para ka talagang binugbog. And yun nga yung nangyari sa akin. As expected, nilagnat ako pagkagabi mga around 3 a.m. Umaga na pala, yeah. Sometime like that. And then, nawala siya. Nag-take ako ng paracetamol. And then, after few hours naman, pagkagising ko around 8 a.m., chinek ko yung oras. Nilagnat na naman ako. But after a few hours ng pagka 3 a.m., after nag-take ako ng paracetamol, nawala siya. And then, pagkagising ko by 8 a.m., nilagnat na naman ako. And I'm scared kasi baka ano nang nangyayari. And then, pagkagising ko, grabe, ang bigat ng pakiramdam talaga. Para akong binugbog, kagaya ng na-experience ng kapatid ko. Parang may trangkaso. Pero yung pakiramdam ko naman, okay naman yung feeling ko na healthy naman ako. Wala naman masyadong ganong sakit, kumbaga. Yung muscle lang talaga yung masakit sa buong katawan. Parang ang sobrang bigat. So, para talaga akong magkakasakit ng totoong-totoo. Pero, buti na lang, I take another paracetamol, which is what was advised sa amin ng doctors and nurses dun sa vaccination center, na just take paracetamol or pain reliever para mawala yung sakit sa katawan or para mawala yung lagnat mo. And then yeah, it's effective, guys. And then aside from that is, after the vaccination is bawal daw uminom ng alak 2 to 3 days. So, ako naman, wala naman akong pera. So, wala talagang alak na nangyari. So, safe ko dyan. Bawal din mag-sigarilyo for 24 hours. And then, ano pa ba? Ano pa ba bawal? Basta bawal masyadong magpuyat after the vaccination. Bawal parang gumawa or mabibigat na bagay. Iwasan daw muna for 24 hours. And then, sinunod ko naman. Nagpahinga talaga ako. And then, good thing pala, guys, that time is we're allowed, may leave kami, may extra leave kami na binigay ng company namin para doon sa day na nag-vaccination kami. And I'm very thankful kasi kung nag-duty ako that night, hindi talaga ako makaka-duty kasi sobrang bigat na ng katawan ko at nilagnat na talaga ako. So, yeah, I'm thankful and I'm still waiting now sa akin second dosage, which is after 4 or 12 weeks. So, mag-iintay pa ako. But the good thing is they will just contact me, and my company will just contact me when will be my second dosage. So, we'll do a vlog same like this kung ano yung na-experience ko, and sana wag na akong lagnatin kasi mahirap talaga siya, guys. Well, sa mga tao naman na natatakot, nagdadalawang isip na mag-vaccine, magpaturo ng vaccination, I really encourage you guys na magpa-vaccine kasi walang mawawala. Just like us, nagpa-vaccine ako and I'm normal now. I feel normal. Wala lang akong nararamdaman. So, it's good for para sa atin din to, guys, but I really respect your personal decision, but on my personal experience, I encourage you to do and have a vaccine, guys, para safe tayo in the future. Yeah, so that's it, guys. This is just a quick vlog lang just to share you some personal experience during sa vaccination ko. And again, we'll be doing a short vlog sa second vaccination ko. Okay. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Again, this is Trick, and don't forget to drop some comments, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe and click that notification bell to be updated in our future adventure. And if you want to support me in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit that join button and click any amount that you want. Special shout out to my channel members ko and subscribe to the channel, guys. So thank you very much. Again, this is Trick. Have a great day and see you in our next adventure. Bye bye.